Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to dechrome Audi A3 step by step. Start by laying out tools and workspace near the car, then disconnect the battery for safety. Use plastic pry tools to reduce scratch risk and warm adhesive with a heat gun before removing trim. Keep each trim piece with its fasteners labeled, and clean adhesive residue thoroughly before prepping for paint or wrap for a clean finish. Prepare thoroughly and take your time to avoid costly mistakes. Inspect trim for hidden screws and clips, and gently warm adhesive seams with a heat gun on low. Use plastic trim tools and a magnetic tray for fasteners, and protect painted surfaces with masking tape. Apply adhesive remover sparingly and wipe with microfiber cloths, then sand and prime surfaces if you plan to paint or apply wrap for best adhesion. Begin removal at the least visible edge and work along the trim slowly to release each clip without bending metal. Use a heat gun and plastic pry to loosen adhesive, then gently pull trim free while supporting the panel with your other hand. Store clips and bolts in labeled bags or a divided tray to match each panel, and inspect clip holes for damage so installation is straightforward when you fit new trim or wrap.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.